Yes.
Yeah! How to do a Van Damme hook kick. Okay. First I'm going to demonstrate how to do it the real way, the Taekwondo way, with power and speed. Because this kick, the way Van Damme does it here, has no real power and speed, okay? And it's very hard to set it up from that position. Now, am I good here?
Yep.
So, the real way to do this kick is not with the front leg here like that from this kind of stance, without turning the hip and keeping your head in place. That's how Van Damme does it. He'll stay here, his head is in place, knee goes up, hook kick comes out. Not much hip movement at all, nothing with the upper body. The real way to do this kick is from this position. Here, with the back leg, the basic way. Now look at my head and my hips. My head is not there when I connect, so I cannot be caught with a counter kick. Okay, so the real way is from back here, wah! Or with the front leg sliding forward. Look at my legs. You get the power from the slide. Ah! You will see Bruce Lee doing it like this, Jet Li, Jackie Chan, all those guys. Now, that said, doesn't mean Van Damme can do it like that. Of course he can. It's just he chooses to do it in a more unique and beautiful looking way. How do you do that? Okay. Bring your knees down. The way he does it is here, sideways, hands down. Now, like I said, you bring your knee up, faces in the screen so you can see him the entire time. The way he sells a powerful kick is with the sound of the kick, and because he looks big and strong and heavy. So even though he's doing a kick that wouldn't seem powerful at all for Jet Li or Bruce Lee or Jackie Chan, is because they're small and they don't look as physically strong as Van Damme does. So Van Damme can get away with doing it slow and with the face expressions, slower, and with the face expressions making it look more powerful, even though if it's not. Without the sound, it wouldn't work, and without the reaction of the actors, it wouldn't work. The stuntman, it wouldn't work either. So that said, the way you guys want to do this so you don't lose your balance, because if you put equal balance on both legs here with this kick, you won't be able to do it. I'll give you the example. Right now it's 50-50. Watch how it looks. I can't get my leg up. So what do? You make the legs look the same, but you put 70% of your weight on this one without it showing on screen. So right now this leg, I'm slightly, by a little bit, I'm lifting my heel. Very little. You can't see it. Okay? Most of the weight is on this leg. Now I can do the kick. That's. One more time. That's. He'll do that type of noise, right? So that's pretty much it. The trick is that you put more weight on this leg, keep yourself low, look at the camera, don't move the upper body too much, try to keep it in place as much as possible. But that said, keep in mind this is a movie kick. It's a Van Damme kick, movie kick. It's not a real fighting kick. You stand like that in front of someone, and with this low stance, you got no power, no real speed, no real setup. You know, so it's not gonna work in a real fight. If you guys want to really learn this kick like you would in a real fight, like I said, it's all in the hips. You gotta start from back here, so you generate power, or you gotta start from the front, but you gotta slide with your weight forward. In order to create power. The power's always in the hips, right? So you're here. Versus. That's the difference between a real professional Taekwondo hook kick and the Van Damme professional movie hook kick. That's it. Till the next video, guys. Catch you later.